What's up, muscle car people? This is Bring It Muscle Cars and I'm Quinn. Today we are doing Symposer delete on the Fiesta. So basically what this is there's a little sound box here that comes off the charge pipe. And the way it works is there's a little diaphragm in here, and what it does is it sends engine noises into the cabin. And it was cool at first, novelty wore off, and now I've kind of gotten the of it. So we're going to be deleting that today. So follow along. Okay, so basically the way this works is we're going to delete this box, and we have this plug here that's going to go into the pipe here and basically delete this whole thing. So the first step is to remove this sound induction hose from the Symposer, like that. The second thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the Symposer out. It's just a little pop clip in there. And if you can see, there's a hose clamp on here. So all I have to do is remove that. So right down here is where the hose clamp is. And all you have to do for these types of clamps is get a pair of pliers on them and compress them, and they should come undone. You shouldn't be recording right now. This is stupid. Be still, my child. I had it for a second. All right, talk. So what we did was we're having a little bit of trouble getting to the hose clamp down here, so we disconnected the evap line here, moved that out of the way, and Jared, if you come around, swing this way, you can see we have plenty of access now to get that hose clamp off. Just make your life a little easier. God damn it! So we got the Symposer out. Yep, sounds about right. Good job, Jared.
It's like oil.
So next we have to take the plug. Grab the plug. This plug goes in to the hose that the Symposer came out of. So we have the plug back in the hose, and we're going to use the supplied hose clamp to tighten it back down, and then that's the job. The problem with this, though, you want to make sure everything's tightened down, because if it's not, it's technically going to be a boost leak. So you want to make sure everything's tightened down real good. So the one thing, this is like, I don't know, I think this thing costs like $18. So it's on the lower spectrum in terms of how much these little mods cost. The one thing I do miss out on, though, is that the Symposer pipe, which we are leaving in the car for now. I've seen other kits that actually come with a cap or a plug that goes into here too, so you don't get dirt in that, but I might actually wind up pulling that out eventually. So that's the Symposer delete, guys. It's not too bad. The hardest part's getting the Symposer out of the car. We struggled a little bit with that, but other than that, it's a nice little mod, and we're gonna go for a test drive here soon.
All right, guys, we're in my Fiesta right now.
Stock Fiesta.
This is bone stock. We're gonna give it some revs.
It will be tough to tell because I think the way the Symposer works is it works off boost pressure. So if we're not building boost, we might not hear the sound as much. We might have to actually do a road test. But anyway, let's go try mine.
Alright, we're in Quinn's Fiesta now. We just did the Symposer delete. Give it some revs. Yeah, I think I could tell a difference, to be honest with you.
A little bit,
Ignore the blend door clicking, but... yeah, I could tell.
Yeah.
You hear it more outside than inside for sure.
It might be tough to pick up on camera, but so far I can tell a little bit of a difference. Will be more noticeable on the road. It's quieter. Definitely quieter under boost. There's still, I think the stock exhaust has that nice low bass note to it though, so I can still hear that. But what really will be a good test is just cruising on the highway, because the Symposer really had some drone there that was really bothering me. So yeah, guys, that's a Symposer delete. Wasn't too bad. Just getting the Symposer out and getting it off that clamp was kind of a struggle, but it's a pretty simple mod. We'll get on the road here soon and see what we can notice as far as interior cabin noise goes. But yeah, that's a wrap. So if you like this video, if you want more Fiesta videos, feel free, or we actually encourage you to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and if you have a fast car, you better bring it.
Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm going to link a couple more videos that if you like this one and you made it all the way to the end, you're going to definitely like these. So watch them. Also, that middle button right there, I think is probably, you know, somewhere in there. Hit that button to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more action.